In the ever-evolving landscape of online marketing, success relies on a blend of strategy, creativity, and adaptability. Here are 50 succinct yet impactful tips to elevate your online marketing game and make your digital presence stand out. 50 Online Marketing Tips. Craft compelling headlines to grab attention and entice clicks, utilizing curiosity or solving a problem in 20 words or less. Leverage the power of storytelling in your content to forge deeper connections with your audience and create memorable experiences. Optimize your website for mobile responsiveness as mobile traffic continues to dominate online interactions. Use high-quality visuals, images, videos, infographics to convey messages effectively and enhance engagement. Personalize your content to cater to specific audience segments, addressing their pain points and interests directly. Utilize data analytics to understand customer behavior and preferences, guiding your marketing strategies for better outcomes. Invest in search engine optimization, SEO, to improve your website's visibility and rank higher on search engine results. Create valuable, informative, and shareable content that positions you as an authority in your industry or niche. Engage with your audience on social media platforms, fostering relationships and building a community around your brand. Collaborate with influencers or industry experts to amplify your brand's reach and credibility. Experiment with different content formats, blogs, podcasts, webinars, to diversify your content strategy and reach varied audiences. Use email marketing strategically, segment lists, craft personalized emails, and provide valuable content or offers. Harness the potential of user-generated content to foster authenticity and trust among your audience. Implement A/B testing to optimize your website, landing pages, and marketing campaigns for better conversion rates. Engage in guest posting on reputable websites to expand your brand's visibility and authority in your niche. Offer valuable freebies or lead magnets to entice potential customers and grow your email subscriber list. Keep abreast of industry trends and adapt your strategies accordingly to stay ahead of the curve. Utilize chatbots or AI-powered tools to enhance customer service and engagement on your website or social media channels. Implement a robust content calendar to maintain consistency and relevance in your content strategy. Incorporate social proof, testimonials, reviews, case studies to build trust and credibility with your audience. Use storytelling in advertisements to evoke emotions and connect with your audience on a deeper level. Develop partnerships or collaborations with complementary businesses to expand your reach and access new audiences. Conduct webinars or live sessions to provide value, engage with your audience in real time, and showcase expertise. Monitor and respond to feedback promptly, showing your audience that their opinions and experiences matter. Conduct surveys or polls to gather insights and tailor your offerings to better meet customer needs. Invest in paid advertising, such as Google Ads or social media ads, to target specific demographics and boost visibility. Create and optimize a Google My Business profile to enhance local search visibility and credibility. Ensure a seamless user experience, UX, across all touchpoints to reduce bounce rates and improve conversion rates. Utilize video content across platforms, capitalizing on its popularity and effectiveness in conveying messages. Develop a referral program to encourage existing customers to advocate for your brand and bring in new customers. Leverage scarcity and urgency in your marketing campaigns to drive action and conversions. Implement a loyalty program to reward repeat customers and encourage brand loyalty. Test different CTAs, call to actions, to understand what prompts the best response from your audience. Conduct competitor analysis to identify strengths, weaknesses, and opportunities for differentiation. Create evergreen content that remains relevant and valuable over time, driving consistent traffic to your site. Focus on building long-term relationships rather than short-term transactions with your audience. Utilize micro-moments instances where consumers turn to a device for quick information to engage with your audience. Optimize your email subject lines to increase open rates and encourage recipients to engage with your content. Develop a content repurposing strategy to maximize the mileage of your existing content across various platforms. Conclusion: in the dynamic realm of online marketing, staying relevant and effective requires a blend of innovation, strategy, and adaptability. By implementing these 50 tips, you can amplify your brand's presence, engage your audience, and drive meaningful results in the digital landscape.